How's everyone doing? Doing a quick review here on the Logitech wireless keyboard with trackpad. I've had this keyboard for over a year now, and I've had no issues whatsoever. I actually like it a lot. You have the keyboard, the standard QWERTY keyboard, which is a little smaller than most keyboards, but overall, I mean, you get used to it. It's easy to use, and I've been writing papers and everything with no problems. It also has your trackpad, which works flawlessly, and I've had no issues with it. This keyboard also has a few hotkeys. It has your Windows Media Player button up the top. It has your home button. Well, that home button brings up your Internet Explorer or your Chrome Explorer, whatever you're using to go on internet. And it also has a lock button, and turn off your PC as well right from the keyboard here. But I'm gonna show you this keyboard in action so you can see how it works. It also has an on-off switch right on top. I'm gonna show you that real quick, right there. And go ahead, flip it back, and I'm gonna show you the keyboard actually in action. This is my Vio. Hooked up to my Vio and hooked up to my what is this TV? Toshiba. I think it's 50-inch, 55-inch, one of the two. But we're in my bedroom here, and we're going to show you, try to show you going to Internet Explorer. We bring it up. Can't see the mouse too good, but brought up Internet Explorer and close it back out. Show the hotkeys. Bring up the Windows Media Player. Brings it up quickly, and bring up the home page so you can bring up another Windows page. But overall, it works, flawlessly. I've had no issues with it, and I've not changed the battery this whole year. I make sure I turn it off when I'm done using it, but it's also, the batteries have lasted pretty long too. But hope you like my review, and